guys, so I'm about to choose the winner for the hot mess mug. So I'm gonna be using random.org, and I'm gonna be choosing the number system where you choose, you know, 1 through say 10. Because there was only 5 people that entered, I'm gonna do 1 through 5, and whatever that number is, you're gonna go back to the video if you entered, and you're gonna see what number it is that you have, and if that match up with what's on here, comment down below, let me know, and I will contact you to get your address and all of that. So good luck, guys. Okay, so I am on random.org, and we're gonna choose. So you have max 100, so we're gonna choose 5. We're gonna choose 5. I'm gonna hit done, and then we're gonna generate. So good luck, guys. Number 1, yay! So anyways, guys, congratulations to number 1, whoever you may be. So comment down below if you were given number 1, because I comment on the comments in the section and gave everyone a number. So comment down below what number you got, and if you're number 1, then you won. So I will contact you and let you know that you won. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna have another giveaway on Monday, and you guys are free to enter as well. I figured I'll do 2 separate giveaways. I will do a giveaway for my subscribers, and then also to get subscribers, if that makes any sense. Anyways, thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.